To create a shortcut to a file on your Android home screen, start by locating the file you want to add. You can do this by swiping up to view your apps, selecting the Files app, and then opening the document or file you want to add. Once the file is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Send File and choose Drive. You can optionally rename the document and change the folder it will be saved to in Google Drive. But this step is not necessary since the shortcut will still open the file. After saving the file to Google Drive, open the Google Drive app on your phone. You may need to refresh the page for the file to appear. Once the file is visible, open it and tap the three dots again to open the menu. Select Make Available Offline to download the file to your phone, allowing you to access it even without Wi-Fi or internet. After making the file available offline, tap the three dots once more to open the menu. Then scroll down to the bottom and select Add to Home Screen. You can then choose to add automatically. The file shortcut will now be added to your home screen, where you can long press it to move it to your desired location. When you select the shortcut, it will open the file. This feature is useful for quickly accessing frequently used documents, such as PDFs, without having to navigate through multiple apps or menus. By following these steps, you can easily create a shortcut to a file on your Android home screen, providing you with convenient and rapid access to your important documents.